Today I will solve one question from CSI Net December 2018 part B of linear algebra. Question is, let B from R cross R to R be a function defined as this. Which of the following is true? These are the option. First option is B is a linear transformation. So for that we have to check B applied on V1 plus V2 is equal to B applied on V1 plus B applied on V2, and B applied on lambda times V1 is equal to lambda times of B into V1. If B satisfies these two conditions, then we say B is a linear transformation. So B is from R cross R, so we can write B is from R square to R. So we take V1 and V2 from R square, so V1 can be expressed as ordered pair this, and V2 is also from this. So B applied on V1 plus V2 is equal to this. Here I put value of V1 and V2. So after simplifying, we get B of V1 plus V2 is equal to this. When we separately calculate B of V1 plus B of V2, so it becomes this, and B of AB is their product AB, and B of CD is CD. Now we can see that B of V1 plus V2 is not equal to B of V1 plus B of V2. These two are not equal. So this implies B is not linear transformation. But in option 1 it says B is a linear transformation. This implies option 1 is incorrect. Now in second, third and fourth option they talk about bilinear form. So first we see the definition of bilinear form. So bilinear form on a vector space over a field K is a bilinear map from V cross V to K. So bilinear form is a map on a vector space such that B is from V cross V to K. This is a map which satisfy two condition. First condition is B is linear in first coordinate. Linear in first coordinate means B applied on U plus V into W is B of U comma W plus B of V comma W. Similarly, B is linear in second coordinate also, and scalar multiple also. Now B, this is the definition of bilinear form. Now a bilinear form said to be symmetric if B of V comma W is equal to B of W comma V. Similarly, a bilinear form is said to be positive if B of V comma V is positive for all non-zero vectors. This is for symmetric and this is for positive. Now in option 2 it says B is positive definite bilinear form. So first we check this given map is bilinear form or not. So for that we check it should be linear in first coordinate as well as second coordinate. So it is linear in first coordinate or not. For that we take A plus B applied on A plus B comma C is their product A plus B into C, it become AC plus B into C. So from here I can write B applied on AC plus B applied on B comma C. So B of A plus B comma C become this. So and also when we take scalar multiple at first coordinate, B applied on lambda times A into C, it become lambda times A into C. Now lambda take common and it become lambda times AC. So it is linear in first coordinate. Similarly, on same steps we find out that it is also linear in second coordinate also. So this implies the given map B is bilinear form. Now we have to check it is positive definite or not. For that we take B of A comma A. We what we do for bilinear form to be positive. For positive we take B applied on same vector V comma V should be greater than 0. So what we do, B applied on A comma A. So the map is B applied on AB is A into B. Now it become A square. It is always positive for all non-zero vector. This implies this bilinear form is positive bilinear form. So this implies second option is correct option. Now we discard third and fourth also. In third it says B is symmetric but not positive definite. But we now in second option we check that B is positive definite, but it say it is not positive definite, so third option can be discarded. Fourth option, B is neither linear nor bilinear, but in first option we check that B is not linear transformation, it says, right, but it says it is not bilinear form, it is bilinear form. So again fourth option is again discarded. So first, second and fourth option are discarded. Second option is correct option.